Welcome to a very nice DOM log that was sent to me by MrLupooo. So buddy, thank you very much for the log. Yeah, you have seen it was a little bit longer in the beginning, but it was only equipped with one plug, so I decided to cut it in half to make my life a little bit easier when it comes to cutting. This log does come with a key, with an original DOM key, and it has quite a nice bitting. Very short key pin in number 1 and then lots of ups and downs. Works flawlessly, very smooth, no catch, very nice lock. Keyway is pericentric and a little bit tricky, but I've picked it a couple of times before and it's manageable. So let's start picking. I use a Peterson pry bar on the pin side to tension lock to the left. The same direction I would try to pick it to open a door. And then I use a Peterson 18 thousandths, well, short hook maybe. Okay, let's zoom in and start picking. There is not much feedback in the beginning, so I work on the pins in the back. Yeah, but now pin 1 is binding, which is a good sign. Okay, and I heard it and I felt it. The plug just turned a little bit to the left, which is good. Let's see if we can convince the plug to turn a little bit further. I'm now releasing tension a bit, because now it's less likely that the pins become overset, as the plug has already started to turn a little bit, and with less tension it's easier to set the pins. Okay, we've dropped into a nice false set, and now setting the spool is quite tricky. I messed it up a couple of times, so here's the spool. Okay, I set it but lost something. Let's see what it is. Maybe 1. Oh yes, and the lock opened. It's not always that easy. I think first time took me around 10 minutes to figure out tension and yeah, the feeling, to get the feeling for the lock. But it's a cool lock, really like it. Alright, I lock it back up because this time I do have a key. And now I can try to get the clip off with this nice clip spreader. Ha! Alright, clip should come off, very nice. So I now use the key and the follower to slide the plug through. Pins are pointing upwards. Okay. Oops. Here we go. Here we have all the pins in working order. Let's dump them out. One is a standard. Two is a standard, very long. 3 is a standard. Wow, 5 is a standard, very long. 4 I mean, and 5 as well. So we've got the plug here. Round plug, very nice, but no modifications. Alright, and now let's get off the, you know what I mean? I want to get out the drivers. One is it has a little step. So that explains why I have to set it twice. Very nice. There's a lot of fun with this pin. We've got two same reduced diameter towards the end, kind of a T-pin. That's a spool in 3. Another spool here in 5, smaller one or shorter one, and the last one is another one of these T-pin kind of. So now let's look at the pins. Alright, here we go. Very nice, thick and strong springs. And we have standard key pins in all chambers. And that's a giant key pin. Very cool. I think one of these, yeah, that's one that has an insert. That's for sure drill protection. Maybe let's see if this is steel. Oh yes, it's definitely steel, not with this one, but with this one. So this is the anti-drill pin. And we have driver pins, which are kind of a T-pin in 1, 2, and 5, and spools of different length in 3 and 4. And it's very nice to see that they try to create balanced pin stacks, so they want to make the overall length of the pin stack equal, so that equals the stress on the springs and makes lets the lock live longer. I've just recognized that I think on 2 on 2 we have another anti-drill pin, which is the driver one. So pretty cool lock. Thank you very much, MrLupooo, for sending it to me. Yeah, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking and bye bye.